Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Resolve to render subtitles through the Fairlight pipeline, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the media pool and ensure your video clips are ready for editing. Go to the edit page by clicking on the edit tab at the bottom. Add your video clips to the timeline. Select the subtitle track from the timeline if you have existing subtitles. If you need to create new subtitles, right-click on the timeline and choose Add Subtitle. Enter your subtitle text in the inspector panel, adjusting the timing as necessary. Once your subtitles are set, switch to the Fairlight page by clicking on the Fairlight tab. Make sure to select the audio track associated with your video. In the Fairlight panel, enable the subtitles option in the mixer section. This allows subtitles to be routed through the Fairlight audio pipeline. Adjust the audio settings for your subtitles if needed, ensuring they blend well with your audio mix. Next, return to the edit page to finalize your project. Once everything is in order, navigate to the Deliver page. In the Deliver page, select your desired output format. Locate the Subtitles section within the Export settings. Choose the option to embed subtitles in the video. This ensures that your subtitles render properly through the Fairlight pipeline. Review all your settings before starting the render. Click the Add to Render Queue button to confirm your export. Finally, hit Start Render to begin the process. Your project will now render with subtitles included through the Fairlight pipeline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.